Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I have my first tutorial and it is this look. It's just like a maroon reddish eye and I have like a silver cut crease kind of thing going on. If you guys like this look, please keep watching. So I just started off by priming my eyes with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Creamy Beige. Creamy Beige? Pure Beige? Creamy Beige. And now I'm going to set that with some powder. This is the Carli Bybel palette with BH Cosmetics. I'm using the white shade, this white shade here, to set that concealer. And this just helps blend everything else that you put on top of it. Now I'm going to take the Morphe 35W palette, which looks like this, and I'm going to take, give me a brush, okay, I'm going to take this orange shade right here, this one. I'm going to put this in my crease, so right here, and just blend it out a bit, pull it out. This kind of brush really helps because it hugs the socket right here. Right there, like that. Now I'm going to take a more dense brush and I'm going to take this purple shade right here and I'm just going to start deepening up the outer corners, the outer corner of my eye, right here. And then I'm going to slowly blend it into the crease. So as you can see, my natural crease is right here, this sausage shaped thing right there. But okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut my crease above it right there. So all the shadows that I'm gonna put, I have to put it a bit higher so you can see it when I cut my crease, if that makes sense. Okay, so I'm going to take, this is the Revolution Ultimate Blush and Light and Contour Palette 2018. It looks like this. I'm going to take this shade, this one here. I just want to lighten up this area a bit. I want to put more like pinky purplish tones in it and just blend it. And now I'm just going to take a clean fluffy blush, and now I'm just going to take a clean fluffy, and now I'm going to take a clean fluffy, and now I'm going to take a clean fluffy brush, and I'm just going to blend all of this together, blend everything out so that there's no harsh lines and it all looks seamless. Now I'm going to take the black shade from, this is the same Morphe 35W palette, and I'm going to dip into this black shade right here. I'm just going to deepen up this area even more, and I just want this bit to be like, I want this bit to be darker so that it's more dramatic. And then the same with all the other shades. I'm just going to blend this out because I don't know if I'm going to do eyeliner or not. Now I'm going to cut my crease with the LA Girl Pro Concealer again. So again, as I said before, this is my natural crease shape. I'm going to look like, raise my eyebrows, and I'm just going to go over that. I'm going to go over it here like that, so that you can still see it when I like look straight, okay? Well, the way my eyes are, you still probably won't be able to see it, but like when I like do this or like in pictures, talking too much. Okay, let's go. Okay, after I cut it, I'm just going to dab on the end here and just kind of blend the two shades together so that it doesn't stop abruptly. Now I'm going to wet my brush. This is the Revolution 144 Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette Collection 2018. This right here. This is what you call love. This is what you call love. I'm gonna take this color, and this color, and I'm literally just going to mix these three. So I'm gonna put it all on my lid there. I spray inside the lid of your whatever it is that you're spraying, and then just keep dipping into that. I feel like this is so much easier than just spraying on the brush, because when you spray it once on the brush and you use it, it dries up, and then you have to spray it again and again and again, blah blah blah. It's long, so just do that. Now I'm going to take this liquid glitter eyeliner. What is it? Chick Flick eyeliner from Makeup Gallery. Honestly, I saw this in Poundland and I just got it, and it's really good. I like it. Where there's that thin line of, like, I left like a little thin line so that I can put this in there. So I'm going to use this and I'm going to put it in there. I decided that I am gonna do eyeliner just because I feel like it will just upgrade this look. I'm taking the Rimmel Glam'Eyes eyeliner and I'm just gonna do a wing. I'm going to put on some mascara and lashes off camera, clean up a bit, and I will be right back. The eyelashes I'm wearing are this. I'm going to start working on my face, and I'm going to take the Neutrogena Hydroboost. This has been my favourite moisturiser so far. I'm just going to rub it. I'm going to spray my face with some rose water. This has rose water and glycerin in it. So glycerin is really important in this because it's like sticky. So after you spray it on your face and you like tap, you can feel that sticky. And that stickiness helps your makeup stay on longer. It like sticks to your makeup. Yummy. And I'm just going to wait for that to dry. For foundation, this is the Rimmel Match Perfection in the shade, what shade are you? Bronze, 402 bronze. I'm going to mix that with, I have a sample of the Estee Lauder Double Wear. I've been trying it out. I don't know how I feel. Like it's nice like when it's on your face and blah blah blah, but it's kind of dry. It's a little bit dry for me, like the tiniest bit dry on me. And now I'm just going to blend it out with my Real Technique sponge. Now I'm going to take the LA Girl concealer again. This is a creamy beige, and I'm just going to use this to highlight and conceal. And now I'm going to conceal with the LA Girl again in Toast. Okay, so my biggest advice is if you want to powder contour, just try doing cream as well. Like put some cream underneath it and just see what happens. Because I feel like it makes such a big difference. It helps it last, it helps the powder last longer, and it just looks better, okay? For the cheeks, I like to go in with like a kabuki brush, like a slanted one, so that it helps blend easier. And don't swipe, because if you swipe, you're just disturbing all the makeup that you have on underneath. So, all the foundation, everything that you put on underneath. So just pat like this. So now I just set my under eyes with some banana powder, using the same damp sponge but just on the other side. And I really advise you guys trying, or at least just try to set your powders with a damp sponge. It really pushes the products in and it makes sure that it doesn't move around. I'm not going to do too much for my lower lash line. I'm just going to get the same pinky colours that I've been using before, and I'm just going to run them all under here like that. Now I'm going to put on some blush. I'm going to take these two. Just mix these two. Put it on my cheeks. Now I'm going to... What was I going to do? What was I going to do? I'm just going to take this brush and I'm going to go to one of the contour shades. Honestly, I just dip my brush in all of them. And I'm just going to deepen up my contour a little bit. See the difference? For highlight, I'm going to take the Carli Bybel palette and guess which one I'm going to use. Ding ding ding. I'm going to glow. Now I'm going to line my lips. Actually, I'm just going to fill in my whole lip with this. Okay, and that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I know I enjoyed doing my makeup.
Mama!
Let me know if you guys like the look, anything that you want to say to me. Please do comment, make sure you subscribe, don't forget to like the video, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you guys get notified when I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Peace out, sucker.